Most real estate brokers are well-educated, good people who are looking out for the interests of their clients, but they're limited by law as to what they can actually do. In fact, brokers are required to tell you that you should get outside legal counsel to review your sale and purchase documents to ensure that the biggest investment in your life is protected. Indeed, when you look at your home buying contract, it says right at the top, all parties should consult legal counsel before signing. For example, a broker should, literally, read every line of the 16-page form contract with the buyer or seller to ensure that the person understands the contract. Unfortunately, many brokers don't do this. Instead, they tell their clients to read the contract and then come back with questions. In one case, our client hired us after the deal fell apart to help them make sense of a critical section of the contract concerning their $10,000 earnest money. They didn't know what they didn't know and simply assumed that if they walked away without closing, the worst that could happen is they would lose their $10,000. Unfortunately, the seller insisted that the contract contain language called specific performance that forces the buyer to buy the house. They didn't understand the specific performance requirement. Their broker didn't discuss this with them, and they ended up involved in litigation. It didn't have to be that way. Had they retained us in the beginning, we would have talked about the specific performance obligation and could have helped them opt out of the covenant. If this is your first or second sale or purchase of a home, hiring an attorney to represent you before you even negotiate the contract is always much cheaper than hiring an attorney after you close. I charge the buyer or seller a flat 1% of the sales price. This includes everything you'll need: meetings, phone calls, emails, negotiations, real estate contract review, closing document review, and I'll be with you at the closing. There's no nickel and diming, just one flat fee. To protect you, your family, your investment, let's talk. You can schedule a free 30-minute phone consultation to make sure that I can help you in your real estate decision. I'm Michael Katz. Thank you for watching.